Hi, this is Bill. What I'll be presenting is requirements management with dimensions RM. These are the discussed points: reusable documents, a workflow-driven architecture, a consolidated managed requirements, and exportable print template. Now let us log in and a super secret password. Let's use Laris RM demo instance. Now let's go to the requirements tab in the middle. Click requirements. Now, as you can see, all the requirements is actually grouped together from the marketing, product, component, test, and defects. And let us drill into a product requirement. Let's go to the links tab and let's actually add a link. Let's say it's a marketing requirement that we're going to be linking. So now what's been loaded, we get to have a easy to find search of the current marketing requirements. Let's do a find now. And let's say we're going to link this market 002 support advanced formats. Just add the link and let's now close it. Now this marketing requirement is added to the product requirement. Now we can actually see by clicking the browse links. Now from here we can actually see now the relationship between the marketing requirement and the product requirement. Now let's go back and create a new requirement. Let's say it's a marketing requirement. So this is created. Let's say created, and let's create a simple text out of it. Save this marketing requirement now and exit. Now let's create a product requirement and let's make a title created, and let's say this is a simple requirement. Now after creating this product requirement, let's actually link it to the marketing requirement that we actually created. Let's do a find all, scroll at the bottom, and this is the marketing requirement we actually created. We could actually reuse it into another, let's say, product requirement. So let's update this one. Let's do an exit and create another product requirement, and let's make that marketing requirement as another dependency with this marketing requirement. So product requirement created, let's say 01. Let's save it, go to links, and go to marketing requirement, and let's grab that marketing requirement that we actually created. So let's do a find all. Now scroll to the bottom, add the link, close it. Now from here, let's actually browse links and let's expand. So as we can see, the marketing requirement is actually dependent to two other product requirements. What we are demonstrating, we are showing reusability, which creates consistency and standardization all throughout our documentation. Thank you for watching my channel. Please continue watching my video series.